Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper chain. First, carefully examine the zipper to understand the extent of the damage. Look closely at the teeth and the slider to determine if they are bent, missing, or simply misaligned. This initial assessment is crucial for choosing the correct repair method. You'll likely need small pliers and possibly a new zipper slider for the repair. If your zipper teeth are bent or misaligned, you can often fix them with a pair of needle nose pliers. Gently squeeze and adjust each tooth until it aligns perfectly with its counterparts. Work slowly and carefully to avoid further damage. Once all teeth appear straight, try to move the slider up and down to check for smooth operation. When the slider is the problem, you'll need to replace it. Carefully remove the old slider by prying it open with pliers. Then, slide the new slider onto the top of the zipper chain, ensuring it's facing the correct direction. Once in place, use your pliers to gently crimp the bottom of the new slider, securing it firmly onto the chain. After any repair, it's essential to thoroughly test your zipper. Move the slider up and down the entire chain several times to ensure it operates smoothly without catching. If the slider feels too loose or too tight, make small adjustments with your pliers. For extra smooth operation, you can apply a tiny amount of zipper lubricant or even a pencil lead to the teeth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.